Hello everyone! Velkommen tilbake! While traveling in Norway, you'll find that most people do speak English perfectly, but the locals will be surprised and pleased if you put a little effort into learning their language. Hei hei! When in shops or around town, you'll hear this greeting. It is the most friendly, common, and casual way of saying hello to someone, and now you can say it back. The first word I heard upon arriving in the country and purchasing something in the airport was this one. Påse. Påse. Bag. You'll likely hear this around shops. Which brings me to the third word. Kvittering. Kvittering. Receipt. Now there are two possible replies when asked this question. Ja, takk. Yes, thank you. Nei, takk. No, thank you. Now when out in a restaurant, you'll likely want to communicate with a waiter. Here's how to order. Jeg vil gjerne ha. Jeg vil gjerne ha. I would like to have. Kan jeg få? Kan jeg få? Can I get? Jeg tar. Jeg tar. I'll take. Adding takk at the end of your statement suffices as please. The formal version of please is not used in this kind of scenario. På tur. På tur. This could mean taking a stroll, being on a trip, or a hike. It's a very common phrase used in Norway, and different words can be added to specify what kind of tur is spoken about. Skogstur, forest hike, skitur, skiing trip, hyttetur, cabin trip, ofte. Hopefully you won't need to use it too much, but you'll likely hear it. It's an exclamation like, oh man, or good grief, usually exclaimed when something is surprising or upsetting.
Ofte. Ofte.
Koselig. Koselig. When something is koselig, it's cozy, warm, pleasant, fun, wholesome, and chilled. You'll hear things like, jeg bruket mye tid sammen med familien min I helgen. Å, så koselig! It's not so much used for fun scenarios like partying and going out, more for fun times with people you're familiar with in more intimate environments.
Isn't it nice to have the whole family together?
Now, perhaps the most important of all if you're trying not to get stuck. Snakker du engelsk? Snakker du engelsk? Do you speak English? I hope this video has been a helpful introduction into the Norwegian language. Is there anything else you would like to know how to say in Norwegian? If so, let me know in the comments below. And as usual, takk for I dag, litt råd, tusen, auf Wiedersehen!